For this video, let's look a little closer and uncover the details that turn a house into a clear decision. In your home page, look toward the upper right of your screen and click the button with your name initials on it. Click the Favorites. From here, you'll see the list of your favorite houses. Click on a home you'd like to explore. Once you open it, you can see the information. Continue scrolling to view additional details, activity, home details, and community details. You may also find 3D interior and exteriors tours, floor plans, map, neighborhood insights, and more about the area. All of this information is designed to help you understand the home beyond the photos. For this video, the goal was to help you read between the lines, feel informed, and move forward with confidence and clarity. And bottom part, you'll see the information about the listing agent. And that's how to view property details on Homes.com. Thank you for watching.